If your Silent Night electric blanket stops working, start with safety first. Unplug the blanket from the wall immediately before checking anything. If your model allows it, disconnect the controller from the blanket so you can isolate where the issue might be coming from. Take a close look at both the blanket and the controller for any obvious damage like frayed wires, burn marks, or signs of overheating. If you notice any of these, stop using the blanket right away. Next, leave the blanket unplugged for about 10 minutes. This gives the internal safety system time to fully reset. After that, reconnect the controller securely, plug the blanket back in, and turn it on to test whether heat returns. If you're using a dual control blanket and only one side isn't heating, swap the controllers between sides. If the problem moves, the controller is likely faulty. If the blanket powers on but doesn't heat, the controller fuse may be blown. Also, make sure the blanket isn't folded or creased during use, since hot spots can trigger an automatic shutoff. Store the blanket flat or loosely rolled, never tightly folded. If problems continue or damage is found, contact Silent Night customer support and do not keep using the blanket, as damaged electric blankets can be dangerous.